I got visions of this relationship. Sometimes I feel like saying that pack your damn shit, but she's my partner, and maybe she just needs some help. A help from a real expert who wants to help, and I can really be supportive if she wants me to. Ain't nothing in this world that I wouldn't do for this girl to get normal, you hear me, boo? It's for you to get normal, you hear me, boo? It's all in my mind, do I really need to tell her that she's a kind of psycho and she need to see a doctor like a psychologist who understand the situation with a woman between the man. I'm just trying to resolve our problems for our future plans, but you keep tripping about everything that gets out of hand. So what you want me to do? Act like I care? Baby girl, you must be crazy. Now once again, I don't really care.
She don't really care about anything, still she be doing it anyway. She always coming with excuses about what to say, yeah. And I don't believe that they gon' work it out. She needs a psychologist, it's crazy. She needs a psychologist, it's crazy. She needs a psychologist, it's crazy.
Doc, I don't understand this woman. She always wanna fight about things that's so stupid. Tell her not to slam the door, she be like I'ma do it, because she wants control and I just want a damn solution. Is that so pretty clever now, cause I just want solutions? Why should we have these ups and downs because of her confusions? It's time to damn express herself and listen when I'm talking. You see, Doc, always interrupting when I'm talking. Now what is really wrong with her? When I'm talking downs, I'm talking about suicide, and it could change in a minute to a homicide, and at the next minute she have the sweetest heart. It goes in circles, so I wonder who the hell you are. We ain't that perfect, but you're using it too little far. That's why I'm feeling my niggas, and they know that you can be a bitch. I ain't cool with all this attitude. I know you hate me now, but sooner or later you gon' love me, boo.
She don't really care about anything, still she be doing it anyway. She always coming with excuses about what to say, yeah. And I don't believe that they gon' work it out. She needs a psychologist, it's crazy. She needs a psychologist, it's crazy. She needs a psychologist, it's crazy.